Okay, well, I've got one of these installed. Basically, I'm building in some straps that'll be able to go in and hold things in place. I'll put another one right here. That way it'll hold my battery box in. Got it positioned where I need it. Gonna mark the hole. Then drill things out. You just want to make sure you don't push down too hard because you don't know what's underneath it. You'll start to feel it really bite in, and that's when you know you're getting close. There we go. Run it backwards a little bit. I'm going to put what's called a RIVNUT in. Make sure you drill out the right size hole, of course. This is the tool you use for installing the RIVNUTs. Screw it down till the bottom. And then it'll crimp down on the inside. Open it back up. Unscrew this. Now we've got one installed. Whenever I'm doing the placement for these, I always go ahead and just screw it down. That way I get everything as exact as possible. Now for number 2. Put on the second RIVNUT. D-ring on there. And tighten them down. You want to do these by hand because it's just being held in by the amount of force that you use to bite it into the metal. You want them kind of tight, but not totally torqued down. Let's see how we did. So we got that one there. Then we got this one here. Should hold in nice and tight. Okay, so we got the first set done. Now I'm going to do the second set. When I'm doing this, I don't so much actually use my arms. I use my body so I don't go down as far. There we go. Again, very important that you don't drill all the way down because you don't know what's under there. Put my RIVNUT on. Another thing, also pays off when you got the first hole drilled, just kind of take a peek around, make sure it's nice and clear. Whenever you first get through, it will try and pull it down, so just be ready for that. Snug them up, but don't over tighten. Now you've got your own custom tie down point. Bolt down project complete. Thank you for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button for me. Subscribe, hit notifications if you're interested in seeing more. Till next time, enjoy the ride.